Hello there, welcome to another video by RA Solutions. Have you ever tried sending an email to somebody like a colleague, a friend, acquaintance? However, you're not able to send that email because the file that's been attached to that email is too large for that email to be sent. Well, what I'm going to do is show you a way in this video on how to send that email with that file attachment successfully. But before I do continue, please like, subscribe and share. Well, what I've got opened up here is my email, my Gmail to be precise. So this will work in Gmail. So if you've got a Google account, you will have access to their email services, which is Gmail, but also their cloud storage, which is Google Drive. And this method works using your email in Gmail, but also the Google Drive. I'm going to show you both methods. So I've got my email opened up here in Gmail, Google services, and I've got a new email ready to be composed. However, I've also got a file I want to attach. Now, what I'm going to do very quickly, I've put that file already onto my desktop, but it's over 25 megabytes. It's 305 megabytes or something. I'm going to click on this paperclip attach file option here. Click on that. I'm going to find that file. That file is called this one here. It's a video file here. Evolution of Among Us video I did in one of my other videos, so check that out on my YouTube channel. It's 316 megabytes. So it's not going to be sent if you're using other email providers. However, it will be sent using Gmail. There is a way that Gmail uses to be able to send large files like this in an email. So I'll highlight this file, click on open here, and then what it does, it will hopefully click on open. There you go. It will come up with this pop-up box saying, actually, attaching file, your file is larger than 25 megabytes. It will be sent as a Google Drive link. So what it's doing essentially, this video file, it's saving the file before it adds it as a link here in this email to my cloud storage, which is Google Drive. And this will work if you've got a Google account, by the way. So once it's attached it, once it's uploaded it onto Google Drive, I should say, you will see this email here, or this link has been attached to the email as a video. So whoever you're sending this email to, I'm going to be sending this email to RA Solutions, sending it to myself for the purpose of this video, by the way. I put a header in to my email, that link's in there, and all I simply need to do is click on send here. And that email will be sent to me, and then as a recipient, I will be able to access the link. So I'm going to click on send, go to my Google Drive here. So this is my Google Drive, but you're wondering, oh, you got all these files, where is the evolution of Among Us? This is my cloud storage. What I need to do here is refresh this page. If I click on refresh here, you will notice that Evolution of Among Us file is there, sitting there, which I've created through that email link. So you can see that file has been created there, and that file is what is the file that was sent, or the link of that file was sent to the email address. What I'm going to do now is show you independently how to attach a file and send that file via Google Drive. So if you've never used Google Drive before, please make some notes, absolutely fine. But top left hand corner here, click on new. And then it will give you a series of options. You can either create a new folder to organize your files within that folder. You can upload a singular file, absolutely. You can upload a whole folder full of files. You can also mess around with the actual Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides and Google Forms here, and there's more stuff you can do down here as well, Google specific applications. What I'm going to do is upload a file. So I'm going to click on upload a file, and the file this time I'm going to upload is this second one here, because this one's 249 megabytes, which is again above the 25 megabytes, which most email providers need or can't send files above that. So I'm going to highlight that file, click on open, and what it's going to do at the bottom right hand corner, it's going to show you the status or the progress of that file being uploaded onto my Google Drive there. So it's doing that, it's getting there. Just bear with it a few moments and it should be uploaded in a few seconds. So that file now has been uploaded there. Okay, to see that file in this area here, I'm going to refresh the page and you can see that file has been added. Now to send this file or send the link to this file to your colleague or whoever you're going to be sending it via email, on the right side you see a few options. You can see share, download, rename. You can rename that file, you can mark that file as a starred file, mark it as important, but there's more options here. Click on more options. You can open that file with a specific piece of software. You can download, rename, make a copy, share, organize, give you a bit of information about that file, move to trash, or there's an option here, not a helpful suggestion. What I'm going to do is go through share here, which is the same option as you get here, share. Click on share and it will open up some options for that file. Okay, at the moment I'm the person with access, but if you've got other Google contacts here, you can add them to be able to gain access to that file. You can change the access to the file here. At the moment it's restricted, so only people with access can open with the link. Fine, but I can change that to anyone with the link, and that's what I prefer. Anyone who's got access to the link can open that file, but the thing I leave is this section here, because this will give you three options: roles, a viewer, commenter, or an editor. I want that person just to view the file. Now here is where you are going to copy the link to put into your email to send to your colleague. So you simply copy that link, and that's the link you paste into a new email which you are going to send to your colleague, and that's all you need to do. So that's a very quick and easy video showing you how to upload a file larger than 25 megabytes onto Google Mail or Gmail, because that file is going to be saved onto your Google Drive, and secondly, independently, how to upload a file onto Google Drive, which is your cloud storage, and how to share or copy the link to be able to paste that link into an email. I hope this video has helped you. Please give me a like, please subscribe, please click on that bell icon to receive notifications. I'll see you soon.